camera. Action. Okay, so what's going on, people? Today we have our good friend Michael and his Kodak S14. Tell us a little bit about it, Michael. Start off with.
Bought the car about 2 years ago. Started off with coilovers and wheels, and then over the last 9 months it's had pretty major modifications. Makes 325 kilowatts on 25 pounds of boost on 85, and on low boost 15 pounds of boost is 225 kilowatts. 3076 turbo.
It's a big deal. Yeah.
Nismo 1.5 weight.
So the only thing you're having a bit of issues with is the gearbox.
Yeah, that's got a limited life on it. It's probably going to break sometime
Yeah,
soon.
so we're still running a stock SR box and making big power, so all your SR fans out there know risky business. But apart from that, it looks super clean. Yeah, it just looks...
Well, it looks stock enough, but it's not.
It's somewhat sleeper minus the door on it.
Yeah.
So Michael, tell us more about your history of cars. Why Jap cars and the Silvia?
So my first car was an NA Auto Supra, which is pretty disappointing. It was pretty Auto Salon 2006 spec.
The Ferrari front bar on it. I'm gonna put up a photo of Michael's old Supra now so you guys could look at it. It was
so I owned that, and then that was on my P plates in New South Wales, so I couldn't drive anything exciting. After a few years of convincing my parents to let me have a second car, they agreed. So I settled on a 200SX, which is technically legal for P-plate as
Oz spec, so it's not actually a Japanese delivered one, it's Australian delivered, which is awesome for police issues. Now you built a 300 plus kilowatt car.
Yep.
You chose an SR. That's risky territory. A lot of people tend to swap out SRs and whatnot when you got a big power. Why did you keep it SR?
Well, I don't like the whole LS conversion stuff.
Thank you. Thank you.
I looked into RB conversions.
Thank you. RB is gone.
And every shop I went to, quotes were a bit too pricey, and the result wasn't going to turn out how I liked it. So I did a bit of research, drove in a few other high-powered SR cars, and then chose to stay with it. I just thought the SR, it's already there. There's plenty of aftermarket parts to make power. It's the main reasons I kept the SR.
It sounds like it's doing it pretty easily too with the mods that you've done. Like, you're not pushing the car way beyond its
like it's got ARP head studs to hold the head down.
But it's complete stock internals, right?
Yep, stock internals.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what's under the bonnet. Let's have a look. I'll grab the camera. This is a interesting looking SR. Holy moly.
What turbo did you say, Michael?
GDX 3076 with a 0.6 rear housing.
You're right.
Tiny.
Yep, so plasma intake, throttle body and fuel rail, 1600cc injectors, custom intercooler piping, turbo as stated before, 6 boost manifold, turbo smart 50mm wastegate, screamer pipe.
Thank you.
256 Tomy cams, rocker stoppers.
It's an extensive list.
Yeah. Haltech 1500 Elite.
Did I see a Haltech dash in there too?
Yep, it's got the Haltech dash. It's got a wideband.
So, can we see the interior? Oh. I like that you have like all the stock leather seats, mind you. So it's everything pretty standard except for the racing wheel and dash.
Yep.
Look at that dash.
Thought it'd be a bit simplistic, not too many things going on.
Yeah, it's actually a really nice Sparko wheel too. It's cool. And the
it does look sick though.
The beads, bro. You gotta pray to them.
While you're driving, just a quick little fondle.
High boost, baby!
Stop it. Actually, that's a good question then. Do you plan on doing anything particular, like track racing, time attack, drift?
So, not really into drifting that much.
Yeah.
But mainly the build was aimed towards circuit racing.
Yep.
But I also do want to give it a few hits at the drags and see what it can do.
Yeah, well I guess it's got a lot of power, like it'd be kind of fun to...
Like it's,
you mentioned roll racing before, right?
Yeah, so I want to try a few roll racing, see how we go there.
Maybe let's go for a bit of a drive.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Might take a while.
Build an E85. It's actually surprisingly quiet at idle, which is also good for our strict laws.
Yeah, it's not what to expect. Michael, what kind of exhaust is that?
It was originally a Nismo 3-inch all the way through. We bashed out the cat, removed a center muffler, and it's just got the Nismo muffler at the back at the moment.
Yeah, okay. We were just saying it's like surprisingly quiet for the power that it's making.
Yeah.
God damn, it smells good. I love that smell so much.
Sweet corn. The Silvia rule then.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, not this time, idiot.
I can't fit the back.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you will. This one's not a 180.
Oh, you're a
Nah, sorry. You lose.
You don't understand how bad it is.
You lose.
I'm not gonna fit.
Let me just like shut. So this time Corey gets to suffer in the back seat of the car because I had to suffer in
sick, man.
Yeah, you'll enjoy it. Hey, I had to deal with it, alright?
I can't even put my seatbelt on, this is a joke. I can hear that turbo. Yeah, how cool does the GDX sound? Schooling.
Side note, this takes me back. The first time I ever met Corey was him picking me up in his S14.
Yeah.
The memories are serious.
With only half the power.
Yeah, true.
The turbo sounds so cool. That spool is ridiculous.
Yeah, it is. You said it comes on like pretty late, hey, like 4.
Yeah, it's pretty lazy. It's about 4,000 it starts hitting full boost.
Damn, that induction though, yeah. Dose. And there's that wastegate.
That sounds so good.
It's actually kind of hard to get to camera city when you're on boost. Oh, whoa, that's so sick, dude.
Holy hell.
Oh, it sounds so cool.
Yeah, it does.
Damn.
How do you feel, Corey? How was the ride in the back?
My legs are f***ed.
Are they?
Yep.
That's interesting.
Straddling the seat.
Nice how you made me brave the back in Mitch's car, hey?
Yeah, because look how much shorter you are than me, bitch.
He wants the keys, huh? He wants the... Oh! Whoa!
Foz time!
Woo! So that was very quick.
She's a little fast.
So it's actually a screamer setup.
Yes.
Yes. It sounds very
external
exciting.
gate, bro.
So just a nice highway drive.
Fuck off.
What are you doing?
Hey, stop! You're such a dickhead. Me and Ben had this stupid game going where we film Michael.
Yeah, so basically if you want a dumb game to play with your friends and piss them off,
don't do it here, I will.
Okay, no, I won't do it. But basically, while your friend is driving, you just have to reach over and just
stop.
Not going to.
So
and
this is a serious problem.
And just press the horn at inappropriate times when there is other traffic around.
Bro, you hear that gate open, you're dead! You hear me, you're dead! Bro shouldn't yell like this. That guy was just staring at us. What the fuck is this?
There's really nothing to know about it, just don't touch the boost anymore, then you're good.
What, did you say high boost? Sorry, Michael.
Don't touch gate.
I haven't touched high boost.
Yeah, alright. Who's calling me at this hour? Oh no, we're good. Well, I'm a little nervous.
Michael was kind enough to let him have a steer.
Thanks, Michael. Have a steer.
Where's he going? That guy, thank you.
It's alright.
Ben said he's going to do a fat dose and skid it. It's going to be sick.
Are you ready for a foot on the exit?
Is this a car review or a seat review, man?
It's a
seat review. Ooh, that's a weird clutch.
You can't drive shit. Help! Help!
Is there an exit down there?
Yes, there is actually.
Oh, we just go that way. Yeah, the clutch take up is really like late.
Yeah. Is it like, I didn't even ask, has it got a button clutch? Did it bite real hard or is it?
Not really, it wasn't really hard. It was just like a really, really late take up.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, big thanks to Michael for letting us like actually drive the car as well.
Yeah, what a legend. We'll put, also follow him on Instagram. He's going to be posting a ton of this car now that it's finished. We'll put his Instagram up the page now. Woohoo! Shit. What was the one rule?
Yeah, it feels super tight actually. Yeah. Like those coilovers are really nice. One small gate. Only one small, Michael, I'm sorry. Let's roll on in third. Listen to that turbo whistle though.
I don't like leather seats though, if I do have one comment. Like, yeah, it definitely suits being all black and everything. Yeah. But it's so like slippery.
Yeah, even... Okay, I'm contrasting to like stock R32 GDS-T seat, yeah, or your 180 seat as well. They're a lot grippier. I feel like I'm in a BMW.
Yeah, well, these are for luxury, but it's just like doesn't suit. Yeah, Michael, sort your shit out. Get the seats.
Yeah. Especially because of what this car does now. It's not right.
Yeah. So you've driven my car before.
Yeah.
Dead stock SR. How does it feel comparatively?
Honestly, it doesn't even feel like remotely the same car.
Yeah, doesn't feel like an SR power at all.
Well, it doesn't sound anywhere like your car either.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah, it's way different. But power-wise, yeah, not a question. It's not similar at all. I mean, obviously stock versus... What's this, about 250 did he say now?
On low boost,
On low boost, yeah, 250.
My car's not a race car, Ben?
No comment. Your car's a drift car, it's different.
Yes. Good answer.
Yeah. Save that one. Better take it back to Michael.
Yeah.
I feel like he heard every one of those times I hit gate, so...
Most definitely.
After I told him I wouldn't.
You're dead.
I am dead.
Ah, back in Australia.
That was a good trip to Mexico, eh? That's bloody awesome, we should go again.
Yeah. He broke your rule straight away, the dog.
Yeah, I know. I heard.
Kill him. Kill him.
I'm sorry, Michael.
No, it's fine.
Literally, we roll out.
Yeah, I know.
And he just goes, hits gate and says, I'm like, what are you doing? He short shifts and he just keeps going on third. I'm like, what the hell, man?
I could not help myself, dude. It was like on tap. I couldn't not do it.
Back to the pods. Alright, so we'll wrap this up. Thank you once again, Michael, for letting us drive.
It's alright.
The 14, or letting Ben drive.
Thanks, man. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed that, Benny.
So much power.
Yeah. Probably, I have to say, the most powerful SR I've been in.
Yep.
Yep.
Certainly
You've just taken the book.
That's not I've ever driven.
Yeah. Hey, what are you saying about my comment?
Whoa. You literally admitted to it.
Follow his Instagram. We'll plug it in the page, and I'm sure you'll see much more of it on our social media anyway. We'll also put up the socials for PS Racing and Gem. Yeah. So PS Racing are the guys that built it, and Gem in Sydney tuned it. So shout out to those guys. Yes, bonus question.
Yeah. How
do you feel that Matuk is no longer #1?
Wait till the weekend, mate.
Wait until the weekend, he says. Matuk you. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
That wraps up that. See you in the next video.
So, Michael just left. We're getting back in the car, and I lost my phone. So, luckily, we just called Michael, and he's coming back, and he's got my phone in his car.
Saying to quit Yui, and he's banging on his way back here, mate.
Yep. So, Mykonos to the rescue. Ben's just fanging on the texts.
Yeah, would you know how much I've missed?
Thank you! I fucked up. Thanks, then. Goodbye, round 2. It's gone a different way, mate. Oh, I was kind of hoping it's in gate car on the server.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get out of here. Just